Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2906. 3 slide outs. Has a dry weight of 8,044 pounds. Awning toppers over your slides. Two 30-pound tanks for a propane. Power tongue jack, prep for solar, electric stabilizer jacks, hook up for a TV outside, your outside grill hooks on the sidewall here with the prep table as well. Nice stable steps all the way to the ground in aluminum. Large assist handle. The 2906 has an outside kitchen. Controls for your rear stabilizer jacks. Rear ladder. Spare tire. You're also prepped for a backup camera. You have a 50 amp service. Frameless windows. Your outside shower. As we enter in to the Rockwood 2906RS, see opposing slides, very open floor plan. We're looking at the pebble decor, booth dinette, the removable table you can also use as a coffee table in front of the sofa. You have full-size drawers underneath. Also makes into a bed. You have a fireplace. Large 43-inch TV with storage behind it. You have nice storage alongside of the TV as well. Your tri-fold sleeper sofa in the pebble decor. Sleeps too comfortably. Theater seating. The footrests, and they do recline. Cup holders with heat, massage, and LED lights. Large refrigerator. Nice drawer space with a full-size oven, 3-burner range, flush mount countertop. Large microwave, solid surface countertop with countertop extension. Good amount of storage. As we enter into the bedroom, You have a queen walk-around bed with storage underneath and drawers. USB charging ports beside the bed. Large window with the blackout shade. Overhead storage. Your third slide out has got the wardrobe, extra storage area in the bedroom. You're also prepped for another TV. You can enter in from the bathroom, from the bedroom, or from the hallway. Nice large corner shower, glass enclosure with the overhead skylight. Fantastic fan. Good storage as well. This Rockwood 2906RSD is also equipped with tank heaters. It's very nice, brand new 2019 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2906RSD with a dry weight of 8,044 pounds is located in Yorktown, Virginia. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. 757-833-3633. Thank you. Have a good day.